be going over how to populate an Excel list with data from an Excel table. So the example I'm going to use here is that you're keeping a list of clients. So let's type clients. Yes, please. Say that we've got, client 1 through whatever, this many, 6. And now we're going to say that we're going to put into this spreadsheet the state they're from. So here is where I'm going to insert the list. So you could just go to data validation, and then change it to list and enter a list. There's several ways to make a list. What we're going to do is use a named range. So it's going to come from a table. And the tables usually start with table 1 and so on. If you do this, you're going to find that the name range doesn't exist. And so in order to make one, let's put states, and we're going to make a table out of this. Check headers. So we have a table for states. Now I have states here. Copy them, and I'm going to put all of them into this table. Now that they're all selected, the easiest way to make a named range is to go over here and type in the range. I'm going to call it range, state range, just to be obvious. Press the enter key, and you can find this range in the formulas tab and go to name manager, state range, and you can see right here it has the state range, so that I can use this name when creating the list, state range. So let's do that. So go here, data validation, list. You're just going to put equals state range, and now you have a list of all the states or whatever data you've put in yours. Now what I like to do is to move this to its own spreadsheet. But before I do, so each client will be from a state, we'll say. So basically, to copy, you just put your cursor on that little square, and then when it turns to the crosshairs or the plus sign, you just drag it as far as you want, and it will make copies. What we'll do is we'll move this table, and the easiest way to move it is to select the entire column and just go cut, go to a new sheet, and then you're just going to insert cut cells. Excel knows that this information was moved to a different sheet, and it will make the changes necessary to keep track of that. What I like to do is just rename this to tables, and this is where I keep all my tables that I'm going to reference in my sheet, or I usually call it data. So now you can see that we got Alaska, Colorado, Delaware, Arizona, Alaska. Once you have this set up, essentially you're done. But there is one thing we can add, is that you're not just stuck with this information. Like if you add to the table, it will populate it, and you can see it in here, as well as if you were to sort this by name, you can see that other is moved up, and the table will update as well. So that's pretty neat. So that's how you populate an Excel list with data from an Excel table. Thanks for watching.